When it comes to a big purchase like a lawn tractor, you're going to do your homework. That means rifling through rider reviews. You'll see people love their Cub Cadets so much, they overwhelmingly rate it 5 stars. What do they love? Well, just about everything. Because the XT Enduro Series offers the most complete range of power options for everyone to choose their driving force. For starters, XT Enduro Series tractors are powered with single and twin-cylinder Kohler and Cub Cadet certified engine options. Then there's our exclusive IntelliPower outdoor power equipment engine technology, giving you up to 20% more available power to handle thick, wet grass with ease. Or the electronic fuel injection tractor, which reduces maintenance and gives you a reliable startup, all while using 25% less fuel. But what about 0% fuel? Our electric rider is, well, 100% electric. With our lithium-ion battery technology, you get extended run times and the power you'd expect from a gas-powered mower. But the power in our engines is only the beginning, because the XT Enduro Series also offers the most powerful cutting decks in the industry. With stamped and fabricated Aeroforce deck options, you get optimized blade tip speeds made from heavy-duty materials for signature cut quality every time. Wait, did we mention the outstanding bagging performance? There it is. The cutting and bagging aren't all that the XT Enduro Series owners love. There's the automotive-inspired handling, year-round attachments for unrivaled versatility, and little details that go the distance. And of course, comfort. Because the entire XT Enduro Series lineup features best-in-class Cub Comfort high-back ventilated and angled sliding seats. Say that 5 times fast. And when it comes to warranty, no other brand even comes close. Satisfied owners everywhere agree that with the Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series, you can't go wrong. And if you want the best-in-class and highest-rated tractor in the category, look no further than the XT Enduro Series. Don't take it from us. Take it from the owners.